Hi, and welcome to Crypto Revolution. I'm William Woody. Once and always, first and foremost, I'll say the thing I say every time, because this is, in fact, a time. It's a subset of every time, so I'm going to say it. This is not financial advice. I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money. I am just here as your loyal advisor and friend to show you options, show you things you can do, and you are going to make the decision about what to do, like the responsible adult we all know you are. Today, I'm here to talk to you about Nodepay, a global AI training and development platform providing a decentralized ecosystem for users to own and access revolutionary AI models. And you know, at Crypto Revolution, we love revolutionaries. We love things that revolve. It's our favorite. We've got a roadmap you can check out. Links are in the description. Let's talk about their token. Use Nodecoin to pay for network services, including real-time data retrieval, Node Collect, AI-specific crawling, search queries, Node Search, dataset access, and other premium features. Good staking incentives, ecosystem governance. Check out their white paper. Now, I don't know if you've ever heard of data farming. I think that's what it's called. Render farming. I've heard with computer animation companies will often kind of outsource unused computer power of another computer to do some of the heavy lifting for all their animation renderings. Nodepay has a similar thing going on. You can contribute unused internet bandwidth and data to support real-time AI training and development. By downloading the desktop extension and mobile app, anybody, including you and me, can participate and earn rewards by contributing to the future of our new friend, artificial intelligence. Here's hoping it doesn't turn into Skynet. In today's world, AI development is controlled by very few large corporations. Nodepay is changing this by creating a decentralized ecosystem, allowing users to earn rewards by contributing their internet resources. And AI models are trained on the real-time data, and everybody, every single person, gets fair access to AI technologies. All of this and more is viewable in their white paper. We've got an airdrop coming up. All sorts of good stuff going on. Now, you can create an account with their Nodepay site. With all that set up, you get some free Node coins. I earned 100 today. So, prizes, things to accumulate, sugar, spice, and everything nice. Now, if you are interested in purchasing their token, Nodecoin, you gotta set yourself up a BitUnix account. Is it BitUnix? Bitunix? I'm gonna say BitUnix. That sounds cooler to me. We've got our standard candlesticks, everything you want here. It looks like a good time to buy if you're going to buy. But you need to set up an account with BitUnix. It's much like any other thing here. You set up, let's see, open like the tab. All right, yeah, trade now. Create yourself an account. Connect your wallet of choice and start trading. You got it all there. So there we have candlesticks moving up, and now we are down. So it's more affordable, certainly more affordable now than it was here. And that's how the trade. That's when it's a good time to buy. So you click buy. Oh yeah, let's buy that amount. Minimum quantity, order 45. Oh yeah, I don't have any money available here. But get yourself some money available on BitUnix. Set it all up. And there you can get yourself some of these ever so shiny and lovely Node coins. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Check it out. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the revolution.